back to my channel. I am breelishell. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the invisible locks. This is my first time doing it on myself. It is a little bit harder to do them on yourself than doing on somebody else. I'll show you guys how many packs of hair I use, what kind I use. This took me 3.5 hours. Let's just get into the video. For this style, I use 2 packs of the Cuban twist hair. You can use any type of jam or gel that has a good hold. When parting, I part my hair in 2 sections. In the top section, I'm just parting it down the middle, so in all I have 3 sections to work with. Starting with the back section, I go ahead and part at the top of my ear all the way across, and then I'm going to split that lower section in half. Now, starting with the actual twist, I'm going to take that section and split it in half. Now I'm adding some of my jam, and then what I'm going to do is kind of like take that section and roll it, and this just gives that lock look. After I'm done with that part, I clip it up to kind of move it out the way, but also to hold that twist. And I just repeat that same step on the other side. Use the jam and roll it up, and then pin it out the way. Okay, now it's really hard to see, but what I'm doing is I twist it about 2 times, and then I grab a piece of the Cuban hair to kind of twist that in. After I twist a few more times, I'm going to add another piece of Cuban hair to make it a little bit more fuller. And now I just twist it all the way down. I'm going to repeat those same steps throughout my whole head. For the barrel, I find it easiest to find the length that you want it, and at that point, flip your twist up and then secure it with a rubber band at the end. Now you can twist the end of that twist around the twist. Now you're going to secure the barrel with a rubber band.